White River Orchid.
Excuse me. Hello.
Benta ba?
Online. Online need number 6. Sticker. Number 6 online.
Be?
Brian.
Chao Phraya
Number
niya.
6 online please.
Tingin taon taon. Yan ang sticker. Itapik ng sticker. Or wala pa guro be? 8 man siguro. Basta 7. Ganun na guro. Anong oras ako? Ate 7 pa? Next pa kita be? Next pa tayo? Oo, pangko lang to daw. Lugay pa ya? 1 hour pa luwa. Kung ganun ka do boarding na person eh, do pila. Picture ko mo daw para may background. Isang cruise. Malay mo, mahal ng White River Orchid.
Hindi mag-abot ang saffron.
Amo nang mahal ang saffron. Okay, may mga costume. Just lang mo na.
Chao Phraya.
Chao Phraya mo na.
Mamatong may costume.
Wala din akong sticker. Sagwa lang din eh.
Don't have photo ni. Don't have photo ni. Ano na premiere? Bako dito ta photo ni so ang search ko lumetri.
Picture sa'yo. Social gimana tayo be? Bago sa diba? Wow! Like a dance thing. Pahala niya ito mga tao kayo ma-picture.
Ticket 1 นี่ก็รันในทางเที่ยวตัวนั้นเราไปนะครับท่านต่อไปนะครับ
Debe ba? Dao. So best ano ni Goroboy mo no? Damo yaw.
Ayan ang mgaถ่ายรูปกันท่าเลยนะครับเราลองโชว์
Number 2. Oh, number 2. Second floor.
Mga 81, 290.
Kanina siya.
Ganda.
After. Thank you.
Ako hindi. Ito sa window.
Okay lang. Good. So,
Picture ko naman.
picture tama? Picture. Di ba? Pwede ka exit na. Ah, gua to? Oo. Oo, pwede di ka gua ka.
Wala pa tao.
Gani. Dali na, kaya nga itong bago.
Gani.
Selfie di ba?
Move.
Sa likod di ba? Sa likod ba? Be? Change ang gag. Dali.
Picture.
Ay, pwede po.
Ay, saan po? Dito po.
Ah,
Thank you po. Thank you.
thank you. Ikaw po.
Opo. Ano po? Oh, hindi po ako. Video lang ako dito.
Sige, thank you. Kita rin din nagwa. Kita na sila ito ka no maguluwa mas na din.
Wrap the strap around your body and secure the closure. Customize the feet by snugly pulling the feet end of the strap. And as you enter the water, cross your arms over your chest and make a feet first entry. And there's a warning whistle on the left-hand side to catch attention in case of emergency. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Our dear staff, thank you. If you're looking for the toilet, restroom, the female restroom, located by the ground floor on the left-hand side, and the male restroom located at the second floor at the back of the cruise, as well as the smoking area. And to those who love sushi, sashimi or Japanese food, it is located by this floor once again, right over there, next to the bar. Okay, and taking pictures, videos, you can go to the upper deck or in front of the cruise. And of course, one more thing, we would like to inform all of you that the great queen, the mother of king, has passed away, and the whole Thailand is mourning. So we ask for your understanding as the music volume for tonight will be soft and mostly slow songs. Okay? And now, without further ado, the buffet now is ready to serve. Enjoy your dinner, enjoy the 2 hours of cruising with us. Have a nice evening, everybody, and once again, welcome to the Opulence.
Eat ka na ba eh? Isaka ko to ba eh?
Ame.
Oo.
Ame, pwede sila banda?
Ah?
Pagkalian sa
Oo.
kabanda.
Guys. Wala na, para manin all sauce na. Joke. Pero nag-enjoy na sila. Mat-turn?
Kasi na, isa siya. Isa limigras.
Anong saffron nga.
Ba't ito halin ng saffron? No? Minimum lambot pag ito guro. Kapag ginanamit ang sanag na temple daw mo ginang highlights.
Yeah.
Video na si mama.
Dua ka mo, dua. Dua kami ni Sue. Dua kami ni Sue. Laway lang. Dua mo kami ni mama. Joke, bit yun na. Ha? Nag-off-ang. Kaya mabunggo. Sila ba mabunggo? But I think this side are off na. Off na girl this time. No more lights. No more lights. Hinay lang.
Si Su, teka kita.
Ay, di na si Sue.
Ayun na, mata.
Kung nag-video mo na wala
Screenshot mo lang karon. Ay,
Oh my God.
suga gali.
Oh, my train.
Ha?
My train.
May train. May taxi ganun ko. Ay, may kita kayo. Ha?
Napanawag ko ganun sa akin na taxi.
Ba nakuha eh. Yun, like tarak.
Sorry. I have.
Sige, sige.
Yeah. How many children?
4-4. Okay na? Go inside.
Captain Single.
Kami ni Sue sa likod eh.